Hi everyone, it's Mercy again. In this video, it's going to be a detailed tutorial on how to achieve this distress box braid. I know you've been seeing this here on the internet and you've been wondering how much it's going to cost. Wonder no more, because you're going to be using your old attachment to achieve this look, and you're going to marvel at the magic I'm going to make with your old attachment. So yes, get your old attachment.
So in this hair now, you'll be using your old attach. Get more of your old attachment. You'll be needing more of the old attach, and you'll also be needing the new one, but not so much. If your old attach is so dirty and stinky, you can just wash with warm water so that you don't straighten the coils, because you'd need a wave hair or a coily hair that is not so loose or too tight for this distress box braid. So guys, let's get into the video.
So guys, I didn't do the crochet method. I did knotless braiding from the roots, and you don't want to start off the hair with the old attachment. Start with the new one. You don't want the hair to tangle from the root because it's old, so it's possible it might tangle. So start with the new attach. So fix the hair. Once you know you fixed the root and it's firm, you can start adding your old attachment. You can notice I've started adding in the old attachment. You've noticed, you're seeing it. You see the wavy texture. The new one is straight while the old one is wavy, and it's going to give you the look that we want. So at this point now, you don't need to tighten the hair so much, but it won't be so loose. So just be free and braid the hair, and as you're braiding, you will notice that the old attach might be tangling at the process, and as you try to detangle it will stress the braided part. So as it's stressing the braided part, it's giving it the look that we want. So you can see it's giving it the look that we want. The hair is distressed box braid. So as you're trying to detangle, it gives it the look we want. And once I'm done braiding the hair too, I will distress it the more for it to appear well. So guys, you see the look. So this is the look. Let's distress it the more. You distress the hair. Yes. So you pull it out to look so distressed. Yeah, that's the look. For the tip, you wonder what you did to the tip. Don't worry, you dip in hot water, use a stick, roll it over and dip in hot water to give it a coily tip. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop a comment and share with your friends. Thank you all for watching.